Hi guys, this is Vineet and today's video we will discuss about how to save an execution plan in XML format. Before we proceed ahead, I would request you guys to please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing gives us huge motivation to create new videos for you and for other SQL professionals. Right now, if you see in the middle section, we have around like 340 subscribers at present with 142 videos posted online, and this list is increasing day by day. And we want subscriber count to reach somewhere near 500 subscribers soon, so need your help and support here. So guys, please go ahead and subscribe. There's a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscribe button, you get the bell icon. After that, click on that bell icon, select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future videos. And on the right hand side, you see out of 100 subscribers, only 4% of them are subscribing to our channel. So I would request whosoever is watching our video, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, because it will be useful for you as new videos get released every now and then. I released new videos on Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, you will not get any notifications. So in order to get the notifications, please do subscribe guys. And we also need your support and help here. So please do subscribe here as well. So over the below section, blue rectangle, you will see animation showing how you can like a video, subscribe to channel and enable the notifications. So follow this method to get subscribed to my channel. Now there are some points to remember. Please watch this video till the end to gain better clarity of the concept, and if possible for you, please watch this video twice. Perform any exercises in your lab and test environments only. Do not touch any production environments or production databases. We would like to know your thoughts regarding our video, so please share your comments. We would love to read them. And in case you need the PDF copy of the notes, there are two methods. First method is by paying a nominal fee. You can find the link in the description to make a payment and get the PDF copy of the notes. For this video, we have not created any notes because notes were very short, so it won't be making much sense to create notes for this video. Yeah, but for other videos you will find PDF notes which you can download by using the link in the video description area and by paying a nominal fee. So first method is that. Second method is the free method, where you can subscribe to my channel and send me the screenshot of proof of your subscription. This screenshot you will find the screenshot just below your video area, which will include the subscribe button, the name of my channel and the video name. Take a screenshot of that section and send it to me via email. Send it to vermavine@gmail.com. The link is there in the highlighted in pink, so you can send your emails there along with the proof of subscription, after which I will send you the PDF copy of the notes. Now let's go back to today's topic, which is how you can save an execution plan in XML format. So let's quickly go to notes, which are quite short, and let me select my pen pointer here. So today we are showing you how you can save an execution plan in XML format. Now we can use the SQL Server Management Studio to save execution plan as an XML file and to open an item for viewing as well. So we can save the XML file as well as open the XML file in SQL Server to view the execution plans. And to use the execution plan feature in Management Studio, or to use an XML show plan set options, you must have the appropriate permissions. To execute transact SQL is the first permission for the query for which an execution plan is being generated. So we need permission to execute the queries, and they must be granted the show plan permission in order to show the query execution plan to them for all the databases that are referenced by the query. Now let me take you directly to a demos. The first demo is on how to save a query plan by using the XML show plan set options. So let's cover this. Let's go to SQL Server. Let's trigger a query against the AdventureWorks 2022 database. Now there are two set options. So first one is set show plan underscore XML. This should be turned to on, and after that you need to put the go statement. Another option can be, you can use the set statistics XML. this option can be turned on as well. So what's the difference between the two options? So let me discuss the difference here. The show plan XML option generates compile time query execution plan information for a query, but does not actually executes the query. So this option does not actually executes the query, but only generates the compile time query execution plan information for a particular query. However, if we look at the second plan, which is statistics XML, it generates the runtime query execution plan information for a query and also actually executes the query as well, and this is also known as the actual execution plan. If we need that, this should be used, set statistics XML, and if this is known as the estimated execution plan. So this is basically a difference. The first one is used for generating the estimated execution plan, the second one is used for generating the actual execution plan. Now for this example we will be using the estimated execution plan. So let me take this section of code, copy it here at the bottom, and after which we will execute the select query. So you may write that select query along with me. So we are selecting the business entity ID column, and from human resource.employee table, and we are putting the condition where national ID number, and we are specifying the national ID number as 509 6471 74. So we are taking this condition, we are putting a number. So after this query is executed, we want to turn this permission back to or set this option back to off to turn off the showing plans. So let me turn this option off after the query execution. So we can execute this whole 3 batches, right? And let's execute and see. Now we will execute this query. Okay, it is saying that show plan statement must be only statement in the batch. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so let me see, it is let me create it as a third batch. So now we have 3 batches because we have included the 3 go statements. So let me try to execute this and see if it executes. So alright, it executes. So this is the show plan. If you click on that, it is showing only set on off. I don't want to save it. And second one is the showing the actual query execution plan. Alright, so the query execution plan is generated. Now in the results pane, so we can open this query execution plan from here. So once the query execution plan is opened, you can right click in this section, and what you can do is you can save execution plan as, or using this option. Another way is if you go to result pane, so you go to this section, you can use the save result as option as well, but it is not giving you the option to save the actual execution plan. So better is to open the plan quickly, and inside the plan you can right click on it and select the save execution plan as option. And let me save this execution plan. So I can mention that human resource employee query execution plan query, and mention it as execution plan. So this will be saved inside your SQL Server Management Studio folder under the Documents folder, and the extension for this plan will be SQL plan. So let's save it. So now the SQL plan is saved, and later on we will show you how to open the saved plan. Another option, okay, we are not saving this plan. So first option is to use the show plan XML or the statistics XML. If you don't want to use this option, you can omit them, and instead of that, what you can do is you can use these buttons. So this is for the actual execution plan, this is for the estimated execution plan. So in order to generate the estimated execution plan, just select a query and press the button display estimated execution plan. So it will show you the estimated execution plan here, and you can save it from here as well, save execution plan. And in order to get the actual execution plan, you can select the query and hit the include actual execution plan button, so which will show you the actual execution plan here. And in case you need it, what I can do is I can open it in a new query and then show you how to click this button. So after you click this button, you need to click on the execute button, but for this button, the estimated execution plan, you don't need to create the execute button. Click on the execute button because actual execution of query does not take place, right? So in order to get the actual execution plan, what you need to do is you need to turn on this option, and after that, turning on this option, you need to click on the execute button, after which it will generate the execution plan tab. So this is the actual query execution plan, and this plan can be saved from here as well by using the save execution plan as option. So you can save it here, and this is how we save the execution plan basically. Now what if you have to open a saved plan for which you have already saved? So how you can open the SQL execution plan? So what you can do is you can select file open, and after clicking on file open, there's a file option over here. You can select that option. It will open up a open file dialog box, and in the select of file types, you can select the file type as SQL plan, and it is showing you the list of files in the document SQL Server Management Studio. Earlier we had saved this human resource employee query execution plan, so we'll try to open it. So let's open it here. So the execution plan is opened. Guys, saving execution plan and sharing it with the other developers, or basically we save execution plan to share it with developers who can go through the execution plan to find any issues with the query or performance issues with the query. So this feature is really useful, where you can save the execution plan and send it to them for a particular query, so that the developers can improve the performance of the query by modifying the SQL code. So this is how it is done. So guys, we are done with this video. I hope you like this video. In today's video we have discussed about, give me a second guys, it's not taking. Okay, today we have discussed about how you can save the execution plan in XML format using two options. The ones on the toolbars, we have buttons, and we have also shown you how you can use the XML show plan option and the statistics XML option to generate an query execution plans, the actual execution plan and the estimated execution plan. And we have shown you how you can save the execution plan by right clicking on them and save execution plan as option. And later on we have shown you how you can open an existing SQL execution plan by using the file option from the file menu in the SQL Server Management Studio. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please click on the like button. Please subscribe to our channel. There's a subscribe button below this video. Click on that subscribe button. It will give you a bell icon. Click on that bell icon. Select all notifications to get notifications regarding all my future videos. And please do share this video with your friends. Please do post your comments. Please ask your friend to friends to subscribe to my channel, as this channel is very useful for them if they are dealing with SQL on a day-to-day basis. Thank you so much for your time on this video today, and you have a wonderful day ahead.